And good morning, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you here. Another check of your forecast. We're going to start off in the Caribbean Sea here with another look at Hurricane Beryl. Still a full beast in the Caribbean. Winds of 145 miles an hour, so it has weakened slightly since yesterday. Still on a path to clip the southern end of the island of Jamaica here later today before making a second landfall over the Yucatan Peninsula. Now, the main question is the models have continued this jog toward the north and the west. If that continues, there is a very small chance we could get some Beryl moisture by the middle part of next week. We wouldn't see the winds, obviously, but maybe some beneficial rains. But still very low chance, but it's something that we are keeping our eye on. In the short term, a very hot and humid day today with chances for a couple of afternoon scattered or isolated thunderstorms. Notice temperatures here jumping into the 90s. It'll feel even hotter than that. As we roll through Futurecast, we'll be quiet the early half of the day, even by the lunch hour or so. Not too bad with some of those gusty winds. But notice a couple of showers and thunderstorms this evening, especially the closer you get to the Ohio River. That might be the better chance for that. We might get a break tonight before more activity rolls in here by tomorrow morning as that front stalls on top of us. And that will allow waves of showers and thunderstorms throughout the day on the 4th of July. An isolated to a scattered severe storm is certainly possible today. Again, the better chance the closer to the Ohio River you get, posing mainly a damaging wind threat. Better chances for that, again, the closer that you make your way toward the Ohio River. So hot and humid today with that outside chance for some thunderstorms, mid-90s. Remember, the heat advisory is in effect. It will feel like it's well over 100 degrees despite these temperatures here, still very warm in the 90s. Muggy tonight. Lows, these numbers won't be reached until just before sunrise on Thursday morning. Most of us will go to bed tonight with temperatures in the 80s, so definitely need to crank up that air conditioner. But the good news is once the front finally sags its way through the region, drier air will filter in behind the front, and we're actually looking at a pretty nice weekend overall, right around average, before those rain chances start to increase early next week.